Yum. Good morning. Well, it's late morning here. It's about 7:42. My kids don't have school. I don't know why. Oh, happy day. End of term. I don't know what that means, but Callie went to driver's ed this morning and I just picked her up. She has it again tomorrow. So I ran to my post office and you guys are awesome. I got a letter that I can't wait to read from, it looks like Tina or Nina. I need to open it. So thank you. I'm excited to read this. And then there was a box from a company called Personal Creation. Someone had sent a gift, but there's a little box in it. Let's see what I could figure out. So this looks like a cute company. A personalized gift for you. I saw this and thought of you. I love your videos, Donna. Never in the kitchen. Oh my gosh! Thanks, Donna. Oh, I wonder what it is. Oh my gosh! Oh, look at this. Kimmy's kitchen is seasoned with love. Oh my word, Donna. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. So cute. Ah! Oh, how nice is that?
Very nice.
Isn't that nice, Preston? Oh my goodness.
This butter sucks.
Because it was just in the fridge.
We get videos. Who always post videos, they get presents.
Oh, Donna, this is so nice. Kimmy's kitchen is seasoned with love. That is so cute. Thank you. Oh. I can't wait to show Derek this. That's awesome. Thank you. You didn't have to do that. Oh my goodness. This is a cute company. They gave me a 20% off and a catalog of theirs with a lot of cute Easter stuff. It's called personalcreations.com. Thank you. That was so nice. Oh my word. And I can't wait to read my letter. So thank you.
What's her name again?
Her name is Donna.
Oh, thank you, Donna, for my mom.
Go ahead, say it. Come over here. You want to say thank you?
Thank you, Donna. Thank you for giving my mom a prize.
Aww. Yes, thank you very much. That was sweet. All right, I'm not sure what I'm going to show you today. I got another crazy day. It's been insane since I've been home from Disney. Just have a lot of work to catch up on, and yeah. So you saw in yesterday's video that I menu planned and made a grocery list. After I did that and made the video, Derek tells me I met with my doctor. I have to go back on the diet that I was on for a little while. No carbs. Okay. I was like, all right, some of these meals will not work for you. Some of them will. So I gotta buy a little bit more chicken for him and some more veggies on my list. So what I did was I went and got all the ads from my stores, and I'm gonna go and see what I can price match or which store I'm just gonna go to. I could price match at Walmart, but I'm not a big fan of their produce. I'd rather go somewhere else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my shopping list that I made yesterday and go through the ads and mark down where to go, what would be cheaper. So I think what I'll do, I'll show you when I do it. Yeah, I'll just show you, but time to go through my ads and then go online and see if there's any coupons. But yep. So tonight's menu is Sloppy Joe's. I am really mad at myself because yesterday I was going to make the chicken enchiladas, and I put 3 huge chicken breasts in the microwave to thaw. I forgot about them, and then I decided, yesterday was crazy. I was like, okay, you guys have whatever you want for dinner. Forgetting that I had in the microwave 3 huge chicken breasts. This morning I went to go heat up Shaylee's oatmeal, and what did I find? I hate wasting food, especially a protein. Oh, I was so upset this morning. Huge mistake, but what can you do, right? So, not happy. All right, that's what happens when you get distracted, and yeah. But anyway, new day. Yeah, let's get trucking. Whew. So, I have all the sheets and blankets off my bed, and I'm going to give them a good cleaning and a soak in my washing machine. When we got back from Disney, Jonah and Derek got really sick. They're not feeling well. They feel better now, just little coughs and stuff, but there was fevers and oh my goodness. So I am grabbing the sheets and giving them a good soak, and my blankets too. So I'm going to go downstairs and wash these, and then I'm going to get up and start the taco meat for dinner. We're going to have tacos tonight. So I know many hours have passed since I saw you this morning. I've been busy. So, hello? Is this Kelly or Miranda? She's tired. She was so funny today. You were hilarious, by the way.
Thanks.
Anyway, okay. Let's go downstairs and do some laundry. Okie dokie. So I have some sheets already washed with all my microfiber that I need to fold and put away. Dryer balls, they all come flinging out of the dryer. Ouch. Oh, ever hit your elbow? I could totally pass out for that feeling. All right, I washed towels earlier, so I could put all the towels into the dryer. And now I'm going to add my sheets. So what has your day been like so far today? Mine's just been busy. Working on Callie's PE class that's almost done online. I think I'm almost done with this quarter for her. She had to do an essay. I still got to make another video with her tonight playing ping pong. It's been a little crazy. And I was just finishing up on some other stuff. So now I'm like really hitting my chores and working on dinner. It's been crazy. But that is life. Okay, I'm going to add my laundry detergent. And some vinegar. Just so they get extra clean in some hot water. That's your book. So cute. Alright. I'm going to start the dryer before I forget. I hate that.
Monkey book.
Your monkey book?
Yeah, mine.
Alright. Towels are going. Maybe while I'm down here I'll fold my sheets in microfiber. Here are all my kitchen cloths, body face cloths, and a towel that I could go put away upstairs. Look what my men are doing. Boston is helping Dad build this shelf for me.
Got it?
This is going in the office to store all my Norwex supplies.
You said it's too hard for me, but it's.
You're doing a really good job.
Keep going, Buns. You got it. You gotta twist it all the way in.
I never give up.
So you think this will pass off something in Cub Scouts?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Gotta tell my leader I'm building a shelf.
You're gonna tell your leader you're building a shelf?
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, when he's done.
Oh.
And I'm cheap with it.
Yep.
This time I want to bring donuts.
Thanks, Boston.
Actually.
What's going on?
She's got her.
She's got her?
Yeah, look.
She took the puppy?
She took her.
You watching Wizard of Oz? You being brave all by yourself down here?
Yeah. She took her and the puppy.
Zombies are too real.
Really, they are real.
Oh, Boston, they're not real.
Bad scientists.
Mad scientists can make them?
Yes.
You heard it.
You got burned, Dad. You got burned.
So I'm making tacos. So I got my lettuce that I'm going to shred up. She can't have tacos without lettuce.
Shred it, baby.
Okay.
What did you guys have for dinner last night? I'm excited to show you some of those recipes off of the menu planning that I showed you yesterday. So I'm not, okay, I should have gone into more detail with that video, but I'm not going food shopping for all of them to the end of the month because some of the ingredients can go bad. I'm still gonna shop every 2 weeks. So I picked the recipes that I wanted for the first 2 weeks, and then I'll go finish getting those ingredients and then save the rest for later. That's how I'm gonna do it. Didn't really go into a whole lot of detail in that video. Okay, I love this tomato knife that I got from Costco. Oh my gosh, it slides so smooth through tomatoes.
Welcome.
Thank you, babe. For sure. It's so nice. Oh, I'm gliding. I'm just gliding through. Yes, always get supervision when using a hammer. You're correct.
And a knife and a gun.
Let me show you. It just slides right through. It is awesome.
I want to do the album.
I love this knife. Thank you, Christina Dyke, for introducing me to these knives at Costco. All right, I have tomatoes, I have lettuce. Now I just need to shred some cheddar cheese that I had in the freezer.
Hey, Mom, where's your new apron?
It is still in the box over here. I don't want to wear it while making tacos. I don't want to get dirty. My taco shells are done. Woohoo! Alright, my taco meat's done. My taco shells are done. I just need to shred this cheese. Boston did ask me if I'm afraid of The Walking Dead, why do I watch it? Because I'm invested in the characters and I want to know what's going to happen next. Okay, I have a taco full of the taco meat in there. Okay, we like to keep all like the taco packets from Taco Bell because they give you a ton. They have fire and mild sauce and the verde salsa, which Boston and I love. So I'm gonna put some of this on here for him. Some cheese. And some lettuce. Ho ho ho. Yum.